Welcome to your life. There's no turning back. Even while we sleep, we will find you acting on your best behavior. Turn your back on Mother Nature. Everybody wants to rule the world. Hello, I'm Vasco, and today we're taking a look at Everybody Wants to Rule the World by Tears for Fears. We're going to do it in the original key, although the original recording is kind of pitched half a step higher. But yeah, this is in normal tuning, high G string ukulele. Grab yours and let's see how to play this song. Alright, so the intro starts with this little tap over the chord of D, for which we have two different variations. I will show them to you both, and they're basically the same sounds, the same tones, but just different way to play them on the ukulele. So let me come a little bit closer and show you the taps. Alright, the first one, and the one that I'm preferring, is grabbing the D chord like this and not really playing the A string, and we're doing E, G, E, and here 4th fret of the G string, and then again E, 2nd fret, okay? Okay, another option to play this would be just to bar on the 2nd fret. It's easier on this hand and a little bit more complicated on the right hand. So while barring the 2nd fret, we're doing here with the right hand E, G, E, A, E, G, E, G, E, A, E, G, E, G, E, A, E, G. So that's the second option. The first option is I prefer the first option, but it's up to you, whichever is more comfortable for you and whichever sounds better in your hands. Okay, and after the intro we go to the main part, which starts with this A over D, all right? So basically I'm barring the 2nd fret and putting the pinky here on the 5th fret of the E string and ring finger 4th fret of the A string. Okay? You can play it as D major 7, but it's not really what we hear in the song. This would be way better. And then the 2nd chord is G. All right, and we're doing half a bar of the 1st chord, half a bar of the 2nd chord, and a full bar of the 2nd chord more after that. And also we're changing the chords on the offbeat, so it's 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and... The exact strumming I'm doing is something like down, down, up, up, down, up, up, down, up, up, down, up, down, down, up, up, down, up, up, down, up, up, down, up, right? Welcome to your life. There's no turning back. Even while we sleep, we will find you. And here we go to the chorus, which starts from E minor to F sharp minor, then to G, back to F sharp minor, and then we have E minor to F sharp minor to G to A here, and we get back to... And the strumming I'm doing throughout the chorus is something like down, down, up, up, down, up, down, down, up, up, down, up, down, down, up, up, down, up, down. And here on the faster, I'm doing Down, down, up, 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 down, up, down, up, down, up. All right, let's slowly go through this. One more time. Welcome to your life. There's no turning back. Even while we sleep, we will find you acting on your best behavior. Turn your back at Mother Nature. Everybody wants to rule the world. That's a little bit too low for me. And after that we have a second verse, a second chorus, and then we go to the bridge, which is something like this. There's a room where the light won't find you, holding hands while the walls keep coming down. When they do, I'll be right behind you. And then we go to the chorus. I'm so glad we finally made it. But before that, let's explain the bridge a little bit more. So we play G, down, down, up, down, up. And here is the interesting part, because we have D to A split in a bar, but we're playing on the offbeat, on the up strums. So I'm doing one muted down and then up, right? Down, up, down, up, stop, 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 stop. We're repeating this 3 times. I'm so glad we finally made it. Everybody wants to rule the world. And one last part that we have is the solo, for which we are holding B minor to C, again B minor to C, and then we have G to A, and then and pretty much this sums up the parts for Everybody Wants to Rule the World. It will be easier to learn the song if you have the printable in front of you. Also, there are interactive tabs for the intro tab. You can get all of these learning materials in the link in the description. Thank you very much for watching, for subscribing and everything. I'll see you on the next one. Goodbye.